The traditional American dominance on the domain is sharing the spotlight with an unprecedented influx of elite international talent, most notably from Japan. At the absolute center of this global media storm is Los Angeles Dodgers superstar Ohtani. Recently, support debate shows, social media platforms, and international analytical channels have been set ablaze by Ohtani otherworldly performance, intense MVP debates, sudden drug testing rumors, and the pitching brilliance of his compatriot. Yoshinobu Yamamoto, baseball icons like David Ortiz and prominent American analytics have been left awestruck by what these elites are accomplishing, yet with historic success come intense security. Here is a deep breakdown of the five major debates currently shaking the foundation of the 2026 MLB season. Beyond the manage, can Opanti do the Unthik and win the MVP and Cy Young Award simultaneously? In the century-old history of professional baseball, pitching and hitting have almost always been treated as mutually exclusive disciplines at the elite level. Pitchers chase the unlimited throwing honor the Cy Young Award, wheel position player and dominant hitter fight for the most valuable player trophy. The next debate currently dominating American sport radio is whether Shohei Ohtani is replaceable captain both award in a single season. Analytical are urging that what Ohtani is doing on the field transcends reality. Japanese sport comic books with his home run tally climbing alongside a staggering strikeout rate from the mound. The voting panels are heavily divided. Some argue that heavily divided trophies to one man is unfair to single disciplined specialist, while others insist that family to do good history. Daniel absolutely objected. The growing storm whisper of drug testing, bid elections, and the pressure on the Dodgers medical staff greatness inevitably invites skepticism. A sensational rumor has been making waves across social media platforms and international baseball for injection tension into the Los Angeles Dodgers clubhouse because Ohtani's physical reliance and statement output seem almost Superman. Some rival fans and spectacle commentators have been raising the question, can a modern analytical profit at this dual third level penalty national without the aid of performance inching drugs? According to an analytical breakdown of the media landscape, there is growing noise demanding region testing protocol or emergency evaluation by league officials to maintain transparency while obtain. Ohtani's entire career record has been flawlessly clean and exemplary. The media is actively defending the worst can sinner of the baseball inter rumors ever gained. Its relation traction, it would mark the biggest scandal in sport history for now. The Dodgers management has completely dismantled the charity is nothing more than Georgia and viral pandemic. The weekly MP shook the American selection panel suffering from obtained fatigue. Ohtani recently put together a jaw-dropping stretch of baseball batting manufactured weekly batting of average in Japan baseball metrics 480. He allowed absolutely zero runs. Yet when MLB announced its official player of the week honors, Ohtani's name was notably missing for the top spot. This design triggered and immediately entered the between Japanese industry and American baseball persistence. The endless loop of highlight debates and unconfirmed and definite truth. Major League Baseball is now a truly league trusting rooms dealing and voting debating with the Dodgers family commentator understanding the world is no longer just watching American plus team. They are fighting as a global phenomenon with the international icon of the Netherlands collective with every single pitch. Like, subscribe.